Hi, I'm Dave Adams, Business Development Manager for NEC Displays. Welcome to DSE 2017. We're in the NEC booth and going to take a look at the NEC collaboration product called ThinkHub. So ThinkHub will allow for a connection of any device to a central collaboration screen. You can do that wirelessly or through a local LAN. The ThinkHub allows for multiple connections. So we can connect with iOS, macOS. We can also connect with Android and Windows products. All of those products can be shown on the screen at any given time and in conjunction with each other. ThinkHub has 3 applications that come standard with the product. That's a web browser, a notepad, and a sketch pad. Those devices will always be at the bottom corners on both screens so that a left or right-handed presenter has easy access to the base applications. So if I wanted to open up a web browser, we could open that and move that within the screen. We could also open a notepad or a sketch pad. Whenever the application is that I open, if it's these or through a shared device, whenever I touch on them, I bring up a work tray. So if I touch on my application, it will bring up the work tray, which allows me to do several different things. I have a palette that I can open up and change my different pen and writing utensils. I can utilize some different erasers and pick obviously my colors. Okay. I can take a picture with whatever I'm working on at any given time, and I can take that and move it around as well. I can then go back to the original application and add additional work on whatever I'm doing. I can go to a full screen mode and blow up whatever I'm working on at any given time if I need that to be a much larger solution. I can thumbtack it, which allows me to place the application within the canvas that I'm working on. As well as I can actually email directly or print directly from the ThinkHub. Now, the canvas that I have here is actually 20 times larger than what you can see, and depending on the size of the product that we're working with, we have 5 different versions. We have a 55, a 70, and an 80-inch in a 1080p solution, and we have a 65 and an 84 in 4K. I'm going to ask you to hold this one sec. We'll try to do it one-handed. As you can see the canvas grid, I can change and move that around throughout the device. I can zoom in or zoom back out. Up in the corner, you'll always see a key. And in that key, I can move my device. So it'll show where I am. Each of the openings or anything that I have opened at any given time shows in there, and they're all color-coded. So if I wanted to go back to where I was working, I can touch there and it'll move me back into that portion and helps me navigate through the system. Through the device, if I wanted to connect an external device, we use an app called AirConnect. And I'll get up here in 1 second. And I've wirelessly connected my phone. And so now I've opened up 2 different opportunities with my phone. So again, those devices that could be connected could be a phone, it could be a tablet or pad, as well as a computer, laptop. I can do it all within the LAN, or I can do it in remote settings as well. I can set up multiple settings with multiple ThinkHubs. So the product is very easy to use, pretty simple to get up and going on, And then the collaboration aspect is wide-ranging and a great way to go. So if you want to learn more, please come to the NEC website and go to ThinkHub and see the microsite that we have developed there.